What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Costa and today's video is about the 7 changes that you can make right now to make you more attractive, to make you more confident, right? It's all about confidence when you get out there, because if you have confidence then you feel good, and if you feel good, you have an amazing day. So with these 7 changes, you're gonna feel amazing. And the first one is of course a haircut. A haircut changes you immediately. You know that feeling when you get out of the barber, right? And you just look in the mirror and you're like, damn, I wish my hair looked this good every single day, right? You just feel so good. I love getting my hair cut on like a Friday or a Saturday and then going out right after. It just makes you feel more confident. It gives you that extra boost that you need for whatever comes your way, whether it's making new friends or of course approaching that girl that you've been trying to talk to for a while. Either way, a new haircut is going to make you more attractive. It is going to boost your confidence in ways that are just life-changing. The second change that you can make right now to make you more attractive is layering your clothing. One of the secrets that most fashion-savvy people know and that I've learned over the years is that layering makes your outfit way better. And what is layering? It's basically what it sounds like. Adding layers of clothing to your outfit so that you have extra details and extra pieces of clothing. For example, wearing a hoodie underneath a long overcoat. Wearing a t-shirt underneath a hoodie so that you can see the bottom of the t-shirt sticking out. That adds an extra layer of clothing right there. Layering is all about adding new flavors to your outfits. So definitely experiment with it, try it out, see what works for you. Of course, if it's too hot where you live, you gotta keep it minimal, I get it. But try layering because it completely adds new flavor, new personality, and new characteristics to your outfit that makes it more attractive. Something that you should be doing right now, if you haven't started yet, it is way past due and it's time to start, is working on your skincare. Your skin is going to completely change the way that you feel about yourself and of course the way that people perceive you, right? If you show up to a work meeting or anything, a date, and you have pimples on your forehead or on your nose, on your cheeks, you know what? Maybe they won't say anything and maybe they won't even notice, but you will know and you will notice, right? So when you go up to someone and you introduce yourself, you're like, are they looking at my pimple? I really wish I didn't have this stupid zit on my face today. It's confidence shattering, right? When you have breakouts and you have to go out, you have a date, you have a job interview, it is literally going to crush your confidence. I don't want that for you, and I'm so excited because today is finally the day that I am launching my own skincare brand, Aprika Skincare. My team and I started working on the skincare brand in the beginning of 2020, right before COVID, and we worked through COVID to make this happen. So it's been a long time coming, guys. These are all formulated by our team. None of them are white label products. It took us 2 years to come up with these products, and I'm so excited to finally be able to ship these out to you, to your homes, so that you can put this on your face and finally feel confident again. Washing your face, moisturizing your face, it's kind of like brushing your teeth. You gotta do it twice a day to see the results. And that's why we created the 3 products that you absolutely need in your skincare routine. No BS. You need these. These are the basics to any skincare routine whatsoever. So the 3 products from our Proficiency series at Aprika Skincare are, first, the face wash. You should use the face wash in the morning and at night before going to bed. It has a great eucalyptus, minty, invigorating scent, and it instantly cleanses and energizes your skin with ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba oil, leaving you with a bright, clear complexion, clear skin, because that's exactly what we're looking for. The ingredients in here are made to remove those acne-causing bacteria, so say goodbye to acne. Then of course we have the moisturizer. This makes your face feel so good. It kind of like wakes you up. I love the way that this feels. And the best thing about this moisturizer, something that we're so proud of, is that it's not super oily, sticky, or greasy. You know when you put on moisturizer and your face just looks super greasy and oily? Not this. This is a lightweight moisturizer. You apply this twice a day right after you wash your face, and it replenishes all of that hydration. It goes straight into your skin. This is absorbed by your skin very quickly, and that's one of my favorite things about this lightweight moisturizer. And look, I'm not supposed to pick favorites here, but man, I love this exfoliating scrub that we created. Usually scrubs leave your face feeling pretty dry because this is what it does. Basically, there are beads in here. We have pumice beads, and that scrubs away. It exfoliates all of those dead skin cells that are just on your face. It doesn't look good. And it reveals brand new skin cells that are bright, that are clear, that are young, right? So you have clear skin. Now, usually that makes your skin a little bit irritated. With this, I'm telling you, your skin actually feels invigorated, like it feels hydrated, it feels fresh. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we actually got very lucky with this formula. Like, We weren't sure how we were gonna get there, and we tried so many different ways, and in the end, we added a couple of ingredients, and boom, like we have a great exfoliant. I'm so excited for you guys to try this one. This one you use twice a week. Do not go overboard because, like I said, you're scrubbing away your skin cells, so you can't be doing this every day. This is only a twice a week product. We make it super easy for you. We also did everything we could to make sure that you could afford it, to make sure that this was a good price, a fair price for you guys. So guess what? Click that first link in the description below and check it out, guys. I just want to say thank you so much. You know, I've been working so hard on my 3 brands. This might be my last physical brand. Forte, Atos, and Apricus. That's like a dream come true to me, to just have those 3 brands and to have you guys supporting me. So I want to take a second. Thank you guys so much for everything, for the support with my brands and my channels over the years. It's meant the world to me. This is literally my life's work. This is all I do. Day and night. That's all I think about. This is all I do. And I just want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I'll have Apricus Skincare linked in the first link below in the description. Go give it a shot, and thank you so much. Let me know what you guys think. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. The next thing you can do to be more attractive immediately is, instead of having a basic outfit like a t-shirt and jeans or a t-shirt and shorts, add accessories to that outfit. Not having accessories is basically like missing a huge opportunity to add character and personality to your fit. Don't go overboard. There's no need to wear a bunch of accessories, a bunch of bracelets and jewelry. Just add a few things. Right now, I'm rocking a G-Shock. Man, I love this G-Shock. This is the John Mayer edition. Huge fan of John Mayer and his watch collection. And that's it. That's all I need with this. I could wear some rings if I wanted to, but honestly, as long as you have something that you're passionate about, that's all that matters. The 5th thing that you can do right now, and this will completely change your appearance, I'm telling you, if you haven't started doing this, you need to start doing this right now, is whitening your teeth. And you can do it at home, which is what I do. It's very affordable. Literally, have it right here. Didn't even plan this, but I have it right here. I use this once every month, maybe. It's just a whitening strip. I apply it on, leave it on for an hour, take it off, and my teeth are a little bit whiter. And every time you do it, it goes a shade wider. So after 6 months, your teeth will be visibly whiter. And this is like 40 bucks, right? Or you can go to a dentist if you really want to get it done, and they charge maybe like 500 bucks, but you're gonna get your teeth 3 shades wider immediately. Having a bright white smile is extremely attractive, whether you're a guy or a girl. Honestly, it just looks so good. And it gives you the confidence to smile, right? So you're not like doing one of these or hiding your teeth. None of that. Smile freely, confidently, and it will make you more attractive. The next thing that you need to start doing ASAP, if you have facial hair and if you can grow facial hair, is shaping your beard properly. Now, a lot of guys make a mistake. I don't know if you guys watch F1, but Pierre Gasly, my man, you need to fix your beard, bro. You need to fix it. It's like up here. It just doesn't look good, right? What you should do is put one finger above your Adam's apple and make that line right there, and make sure that you are shaping it properly, because it gives your jawline that defined look. It makes it look more defined, it makes it look more chiseled, makes you look more masculine, more manly, stronger. So shaping your beard properly is a game changer. It can make you go from a baby looking dude, which is me without my beard, to a pretty manly looking guy, which is me with a stubble. It makes a world of difference. Robbie tells me I should never shave anymore, so if that tells you anything, it's just the truth. And of course, wearing boots instead of sneakers completely changes your look as well. I am such a big fan of wearing boots, whether it's Chelsea boots or combat boots. I just think it makes you look more rugged, and that's a really cool look, right? You don't have to wear boots all the time, but the thing is, you don't have to wear sneakers all the time. Wearing sneakers all the time, it's just like what every other guy out there is doing, right? Those hypebeast dudes, that's all they do. Change it up. Be a little bit more rugged. It also adds a little bit of height and depth to your outfit. So why not? And guys, make sure to check out my new skincare brand, Apricus Skincare. For you guys that don't know, Apricus means filled with brightness in Latin. It took us so long to come up with this name, but I'm so happy with it because filled with brightness. If you think about it, bright skin, bright future, Apricus. I love it, man. This is one of my favorite names. It's so hard coming up with names, and I'm so happy with this. So thank you so much. Go check it out. It's the first link below, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Peace.